Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jake from Machine Card Breaks. We're doing a hit recap video for our 2014-15 NBA Hoops 5-box break on Wednesday, October 15th. Here's how the random broke down. For the Bobcats/Hornets spot, James Sexton. Spurs, Andy Pitts. Pistons, Dan Mahler. Thunder, James Kidwell. Heat and Jazz going to Kurt B. Mavs, James Kidwell. Grizzlies, Andy Pitts. Clippers, Nets, Kurt B. As well as Sixers. Bucks, Jeff Myros. Cavs, Jonathan Pock. Blazers, Wizards, combo spot, Mary Scare. Raptors, Kurt B. Lakers, Ernie Wilson. Pacers, James Sexton. Suns, John Bayer. Celtics, Mike Maynard. Hawks, Luke Schwinn. Warriors, Andy Pitts. Magic, Brad Dean. Nuggets, James Sexton. Bulls, Mike Maynard. Knicks, James Sexton. Pelicans, Brad Dean. Rockets, Mary Scare. T-Wolves, Jonathan Pock. Kings, Andy Pitts. 5 boxes, 3 hits per box. You have a nice Kevin Durant, artist proof parallel of 99 for the Thunder. A Tyler Hansbrough jersey for the Raptors. Tyson Chandler jersey for the Mavs. Paul Gasol jersey for the Bulls. Rise and Shine Jarnell Stokes rookie jersey for the Grizzlies. Rise and Shine Mitch McGary, rookie jersey for the Thunder. An Arnett Moultrie auto out of 25 for the 76ers. An Alex Len auto for the Suns, second year. A George Hill auto for the Pacers. Cody Zeller auto for the Bobcats/Hornets. Thunder Dan Marley auto for the Suns. Jordan Adams rookie auto for the Grizzlies. Rodney Hood rookie auto for the Jazz. PJ Harrison rookie auto for the Hornets. Mitch McGary rookie auto for the Thunder. And a very nice Marcus Smart rookie auto for the Celtics. And that was the break. 2014-15 NBA Hoops 5-box break on Wednesday, October 15th. Thanks, guys.